demonstrating competency for the class of 2023 and beyond. Ohio's high school requirements are based on course completion, college or career readiness, and demonstrating competency. Let's focus on competency. Ohio's original competency requirements allowed students to choose one of three pathways: earn at least 18 points on 7 end-of-year state tests, earn an industry credential, or earn a remediation-free score on the ACT or SAT. And now, new pathways allow students even more options in addition to these three. A student can now demonstrate competency by earning a score of 684 points on the Algebra 1 and English 2 end-of-course tests. If a student does not pass on their first attempt, they must be offered appropriate remediation and support and retake the test at least once. But what happens if a student does not receive a passing score even after retesting? Well, fortunately, students have many more options to demonstrate their competency. These are available through 3 pathways: College Credit Plus, Military Readiness, or Career Experience and Technical Skill. Pathway number 1, College Credit Plus. To complete this pathway, a student must complete college coursework and earn credit for one college-level math and/or college-level English course through Ohio's free College Credit Plus program. The course that students earn credit for must align to the test that they did not pass. Pathway number 2, enlist in the military. To complete this pathway, a student must show evidence that they have signed a contract to enter a branch of the U.S. Armed Services upon graduation. And pathway number 3, Career Experience and Technical Skill. These options are divided into 2 groups: foundational activities and supporting activities. A student must complete 2 separate activities, and at least one must be foundational. So let's start with the foundational activities. Activity number 1, earn a proficient score on web exams. Web exams are online tests used by the Ohio Career Technical classes and based on the Ohio Career Technical Content Standards. Foundational activity number 2, earn a 12-point industry credential. An industry-recognized credential is a verification of an individual's qualifications or competence. They can take many forms, including certifications and licenses. And foundational activity number 3, complete a pre-apprenticeship or be accepted into an approved apprenticeship program. The Pre-Apprenticeship Program teaches both job readiness and technical skills to prepare a student for a formal registered apprenticeship training program, while an apprenticeship is a combination of on-the-job training and related technical instruction. A student must be at least 16 years of age, except where a higher minimum age standard is required by law. An apprenticeship program must also be registered with the Ohio Apprenticeship Council. Now let's cover the supporting activities. Supporting activity number 1, work-based learning. Beginning as early as the 9th grade, students must accumulate 250 hours of work-based learning aligned to their programs of study, and there are many types of work-based learning opportunities available. Supporting activity number 2, earn the required score on Work Keys. Work Keys is a work readiness test that employers use. Ohio requires a minimum score of 14 points. And supporting activity number 3, earn the Ohio Means Jobs Readiness Seal. Students must demonstrate proficiency in each of the 15 identified professional skills and use the Ohio Means Jobs Readiness Seal form to record their work. A student is required to document how he or she demonstrated each skill in one of the 3 possible environments: school, work, or community. At least 2 environments must be reflected. Students must also have each skill validated by at least 1 mentor, and a minimum of 3 mentors must be involved in the overall validation process. So let's review. In order to demonstrate their competency and receive a diploma, a student may either earn 18 points on 7 end-of-year state tests, earn an industry credential, earn a remediation-free score on the ACT or SAT, pass the Algebra 1 and English 2 state tests, enroll in College Credit Plus, enlist in the military, or complete 2 career activities. And remember, one of those activities must be foundational.